Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem Apex gift card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Apex Legends, I need you to click the Create Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to redeem an Apex Legends gift card, you typically need to follow these simple steps, alright? Now, start the game on your preferred platform. For example, you are here on PlayStation. Of course, you need to have the gift card first. If you don't have the gift card yet, you might want to buy it and maybe send it to your friend, partner, loved one, colleagues, boss. Now, you can choose the amount that you wanted. For example, you can choose the 9.99 cents, $8.99, and you can save 10% with the EA Play. All right, that's for the PlayStation platform. Apex Legends gift card is also available here in Razer Gold. All you have to do is select a payment method if you wanted to purchase this one. Razer Gold, Pay Safe Card, Dollar General Card, Pay with Crypto, Visa, Credit Cards, CVS Pharmacy, Open Box Gift Card, and of course PayPal. All I have to do is select an amount. For example, you wanted to put $20 Apex Legends gift card, and of course enter your email address. It is also available on Amazon, so all I have to do is put in, for example, this one. You can have a 1,000 coins, 4,350 coins, and a lot more. All I gotta do is add it to your cart, and of course, pay for it. After that, the next thing that you need to do for you to be able to use the Apex gift card is, I need you to go to your EA profile account and hover to where it says redeem product code. Once, of course, you have purchased an Apex Legends gift card, all you're gonna do is put in the product code. For example, this one right here. I need you to click on next. All right. And after that, you would be able to use the Apex Legends gift card. Now, you can also check your confirmation email to find the product code right here. Now, if you receive an Apex Legends physical gift card, you might want to check your box or manual to find your product code. It's usually at the back. All right. Now, after that, all you're going to do is click on next, and you would be able to redeem the product code. And what can you do with the Apex Legends gift card? You can simply go to Apex Legends currency, because if you have the same questions, all right, here it is. You can use for crafting medals, legend tokens, Apex coins, and these can only be acquired through purchasing the real currency or via the battle pass. And of course, Apex coins can be used to purchase Apex packs, cosmetics in any of these stores, and limited time items during one of the events. All right, so there's a lot that you can do with the Apex gift card balance. Not only that, you can also go here as the EA help, wherein if you are curious about how to buy, use, and find your Apex coins, these are the guidelines, and of course, technical insights on where and how to use it and when. All right, since you already have the Apex gift card. After that, if you are having problems, of course, with the redemption of your Apex gift card, the next thing you need to do is click on the Contact EA Help. And from there, if you get a hold of the support staff, tell them you're having problems redeeming your Apex gift card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.